As an early adopter of electric power, the New Haven Railroad's freight locomotive fleet was showing its age by the time World War II came around. With freight and passenger traffic up due to the war effort, the railroad realized they needed a new, dependable locomotive. Built in part by Baldwin-Westinghouse and in part by General Electric, the EF3 was born out of the almost identical EP4 passenger locomotive, released several years earlier. Stronger and heavier than the passenger version, the EF3 could reach speeds up to 65 miles per hour with a loaded freight, and proved versatile enough for several to be converted for passenger operation, reclassified as EF3Bs. Sadly, their success was short-lived, as management in the 1950s made the decision to end electrified freight services beyond the Northeast Corridor, making these locomotives surplus to the railroad's needs. After only 16 years, the last of the type was withdrawn in 1959. Now you can bring this classic mid-century Northeastern Electric to Euro-scale model railroad with included Proto-Sound 3.0. Built almost entirely out of die-cast metal components, our model brings the weight and feel of the prototype, displaying a level of realism that's hard to match. Two flywheel-equipped motors power the main driving wheels of this model, ensuring constant power contact, as well as optimum traction and performance, with metal truck details adding to the realistic appearance. Just like all our Premier Line models, our EF3 has been designed with near-perfect scale proportions and features a range of accurately reproduced details from trucks to pantographs, with small features such as handrails, windshield wipers, and rooftop components coming readily installed. Additionally, a fully furnished cab with hand-painted figures completes the realistic appearance of this model. This release of our EF3 specifically replicates the EF3B passenger variation and comes available in the original New Haven green paint scheme, as well as the iconic McGinnis scheme, which these locomotives would have likely displayed had they remained in service for longer. All variations of the model come with prototypical constant voltage headlights, as well as marker lights, lit number boards, and cab interior lighting.
Welcome to Stanford.
With our new EF3B, you can take realistic operation to a new level and run these locomotives just like the prototype through our operational pantographs. With one simple switch, you can change control of your EF3 from standard track power to overhead catenary power to run your trains with our Real Tracks catenary system.
Attention passengers, now arriving from Boston on track 3, train number 183, the Pilgrim.
With the onboard Proto-Sound 3.0 system, your EF3B will sound just like the real thing, with prototypical mechanical, horn, and bell effects, as well as crew chatter and a full stopping sequence.
Attention passengers, now departing for Montreal on track 4, train number 168 to Montreal.
Bring the entire train to your layout with the EF3B passenger set, featuring the locomotive and 4 streamlined passenger cars to run with it. Run this locomotive or any other MTH train with our new DCS smartphone app. All the power of our DCS digital system in the palm of your hand.